Hello everyone, welcome to Excel tutorials. So in this tutorial we will create different type of charts, line chart, column chart and pie chart, and how you can format the charts. I will discuss in detail with example. So this is my sheet. You can see the sheet is revenue and profit by year. So for creating a chart, first of all select the data. So I'm going to select this data and then go to the insert and click on the chart, and here I am going to click on the line, and you can see there are so many options available. So I am going to click here, so line with markers. So select this line with markers, and you can see your chart has been inserted. So next thing, we will format this chart. So for that, so go to the layout, as you can see. So go to the layout and first of all insert the chart title. So here you can see the option chart title. So click on chart title, and here there is one option above chart. So click on above chart, and here enter the chart title. So I'm going to enter a chart title. So suppose chart title is profit and revenue. So next thing that I am going to do, I am going to change the column name. So column name I am going to change. So column name is annual profit and annual revenue, and you can see here you can see the column name has also been changed in the, you can see in the chart. Next I am going to change this to a currency. So go to the layout, and here go to the data labels. Okay, so just wait, go to the chart options, and here you will find one option. So I want to format this. So go to the axis and click on primary vertical axis, and you can see there are more primary vertical axis options available, and click on number. So I want to change this number to a currency. So click on currency, and you can see the currency has been changed to the rupees, and change the decimal places to 0, and you can also format it according to your requirement and click on close. You can see on the vertical side I can see the currency, and on the horizontal axis I can see the year. Next thing, I want to add a axis. So just click on the axis titles and primary horizontal axis title, and I'm going to add a title. So click on title below axis, and here just enter the year. Okay, and I also want to add a vertical axis. So go to the axis title and click on primary vertical axis, and here click on, you can click on any of the title, so any of the vertical or horizontal title on the vertical axis. So I'm going to click on this, and here I will enter Indian rupees. So press enter, and you can see the chart has been, I have added a horizontal axis as well as the vertical axis to my chart. Another thing that you can do, you can change the design of the chart. There are so many options available. You can change the design, any design you want you can change. You can change the color of axis. So all the options you can try. So it's upon you, so you can try. So this is all about line marker chart, and you can see the line marker chart. Next is, I'm going to change my sheet. So this is another sheet, product revenue by country, and here I am going to create a column chart. So just select the data. So I'm going to first of all select the data. So select the data, and again go to the insert, and this time I am going to add a 2D column, and that is the stacked column. So click on stacked column, and you can see the chart. Again I will do some formatting. So first of all go to the layout and add the chart title. So add chart title. So chart title, it is the sum of revenue by product. So just add the chart title. the sum of revenue by product I have added, and again change the currency. So axis, go to the primary vertical axis, same thing that I have done now. So go to the number, go to the currency, and decimal place is changed to 0, and click on close, and you can see it has been changed to rupees. So all other options you can try. It's very simple. Now I will add the horizontal axis and vertical axis. So just click on axis title and click on primary horizontal axis and title below axis, and here I am going to show country and center, and on the vertical axis you can add, so on the vertical axis you can add currency, or you just so Indian rupees. So you can change the rotation. So this way you can resize the chart, you can format the chart by clicking on design. So you can choose any design you want. Okay, so you can also set the background to the chart. So click on the format, you can change the shape format. So shape fill, you can choose any design you want. So rest of the options that you have to try. Next chart that I'm going to discuss is pie chart. So this is my third sheet in which there is data by age group and sum of the revenue. So select the data and go to the insert, and this time I'm going to create pie chart. So click on 2D pie, and so this you can see the pie chart, and go to the layout, go to the legend. So you can change the legends. So show legend at the left, you can show the legends on the left. Okay, there are so many another options that you can choose. You can change the colors of, you can also select on data labels and click on, let's say inside. So this way you can create pie charts.